going to demonstrate how to do the deep breathing. You're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then just breathe out of the mouth. And release. Next time you breathe in, now you're going to breathe in deep and feel your body. Feel what that breath feels in as it expands. Hold it, feel that, and then let it go. And then one more time. Every time you breathe in, feel the tension. Hold it, and then release. And there you go. Wonderful. Okay, now we're going to take the breathing up to the next level and add some sounds so we give the conscious mind something to focus on. So again, deep breath in through the nose. And hold, and now breathe out like you're fogging up a glass. And each time you want to breathe in a little deeper, breathe in. And breathe out a little bit longer and louder. There you go. And one more time. And